Snowman's gone before.
Hey, what do you think we could go to this though? Everyone's talking about
Technically, we can't put anything until after they tell us.
All right, Rooster.
He had to come back.
Not only using a man, but he can run too. 2'4", 2'9".
No.
Oh, nice guy.